Hello there guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have another review, and as you can see, why I've got Steelworks Thomas at the back, because I'd already done a review on them. Now these other two are from Journey Beyond Sodor. Got to mention Thomas is from Journey Beyond Sodor, the Steelworks Thomas. And I have the other two, so we're going to do a double review with Hurricane, Steelworks Hurricane, and Merlin the Invisible. So we'll have a look at Hurricane first. I like the face. Focus on it. There we go. Set the phone up. I really like the face. And it says Hurricane there. I like it. I put some batteries into him. And also he comes with two trucks. And it said on the box the rocking barrels rock side to side. So let's get him on the truck. So Steelworks Hurricane. First run, off he goes. And look at those rocking buckets go. Now let's get back to the view. Now we have Merlin the Invisible. I really like him. There's his face. Oh, and Hurricane just went past. Really like his face. Now I seen on Toy Trains of David, they did had a Merlin, but his faceplate, their Merlin's face was crooked for some reason. And look at that, look at the paint job on that. I really like it. See, like, you can see me there. See that? There's me in the reflection. And he's got the number 783 on the side of him and on his tender, which I like that. And he comes with this truck, and it said in the box the gears spin, which I like. But let's get him on the truck, and off he goes. So here is Hurricane and Merlin, and in their first runs. And look at the gear spin. So the gears spin alright. I really like that. Go guys, there's the review on Steelworks Hurricane and Merlin the Invisible. I hope you guys like these engines, and I'll bring Steelworks Thomas over here. And there we go, we got the full, and we got all of the Trackmaster engines from this wave. All the Journey Beyond Sodor engines, we've got all of them from this wave. So you can also you get Steelworks Thomas, Steelworks Hurricane, and Merlin the Invisible, and I have all three of them. So what do you think? Which one of these is your favourite? I really like Merlin the Invisible. I think he's got to be my new favourite character from the Thomas and Friends series. But what do you think, guys? Who is your favourite character from this wave of engines? tell me in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time. Actually, I'll see you in the next video, which is the extraordinary engines, so stay tuned for that. Bye.